Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait for Sony's next big hybrid mirrorless camera might soon be over. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in the Alpha lineup, lending cutting-edge AI improved speed and stunning image quality. From leaked specs to possible release dates and pricing, today we're breaking down everything you need to know about the upcoming Sony A7V and why it could be the ultimate all-rounder for photographers and filmmakers alike. Here's a concept-style image circulating alongside. Rumor coverage for the Sony A7V, helpful for a visual frame of reference, though not an official reveal. Expected release timing and delays, Sony has registered a new camera body in Asia. Under the code WW084220, believed to be the A7V. Rumors place its announcement between July and October 2025. Earlier, whispers pointed to a possible release as early as March 2025, with Sony reporting the model to Indonesian certification agencies. However, analysts anticipate delays, potentially pushing launch to late 2025 or even November, possibly due to Sony prioritizing production of the A12 first. Price expectations. Price whispers suggest around $3,000 USD and 3,500 euros in Europe. Tech Radar echoes similar figures, approximately 3,000 euros. Aligning with a strong rumored spec combination, given Sony's track record of incremental price increases with new generations. A higher cost than the A7IV seems plausible. Rumored core specs and standout features, sensor and processing expectations range between a 33 MP stacked sensor, offering improved speed and performance, or a 44 MP IMX366 sensor for higher resolution and faster readouts. Autofocus and AI integration rumored to feature a dedicated AI processing chip, boosting subject recognition and tracking. Echoing innovations from the A7RV, BURST, shooting and video capabilities. 20 FPS burst shooting speculated a leap over the A7IV's 10 FPS 0.4K at 120 FPS possibly cropless. Or enhanced 8K video modes are mentioned in various leaks. Other enhancements, higher resolution EVF likely above 3.8 MP. Potential use of the A1 to style body or vari-angle screen, improved weather sealing, and better thermal performance. 144 MPI MX366 or 33 MP stacked full-frame sensor advanced Bions X. Bions XR with dedicated AI chip 20 FPS continuous shooting with AF. A4K 120 FPS no crop or 8K video. Support AI enhanced autofocus with superior subject recognition upgraded. EVF resolution, vari-angle or tilting touchscreen display, robust weather sealing and thermal management, 5-axis IBIS, likely 8 stops or better. 10 dual card slots. Enhanced battery life. UVC webcam features release date and pricing, snapshot initial rumors expected early 2025, but delays suggest possible late 2025 Novdec. Launch price estimated at $3,000 USD, 3,500 euros. Higher than a 7IV, but justifiable with rumored upgrades. While Sony has yet to issue any official word on the A7V, the growing consensus from reputable rumor outlets suggests a significant mid-range update is likely on the horizon. It looks set to offer major sensor, video, and AI improvements. It's fitting snugly between the A7 IV and A12 in capability and price. If you're eyeing it for real-world use, be prepared for possible launch delays and a steeper price tag, but also a camera that could be one of the best all-around mirrorless workhorses yet. And that's the latest on the highly anticipated Sony A7V, from rumored features and specs to its expected price and release window. While nothing is official yet, the combination of advanced autofocus, high-speed performance, and pro-level video could make it one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras of 2025. As always, we'll keep you updated as soon as Sony makes it official. So stay tuned and get ready, because the next chapter in the Alpha story might be just around the corner.